In this video, I will show you how to connect Shopify with N8N. So basically, we are currently in our Shopify app store from where you basically get all of your apps. And this helps you to simply connect different applications. So if I search in here for N8N, this is basically we have an unofficial app that is going to be helping us to bridge between N8N, but I do not recommend using this one. But you can because it is going working at some extent. Um, if you also head over to your N8N platform and search in here for a parent node or pairing node, for Shopify, they do have about 800 integrations, but still Shopify is not available in here. So that means currently you cannot find N8N integration, but in future, if is there is going to be any update, I will let you know. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.